Okay, just over from our Smilex glauca, we have another woody vine of North Florida, and you can kind of see it climbing up this cedar tree here. This is Campsis radicans, or trumpet creeper. Trumpet creeper is in the Bignoniaceae family, which is known for its characteristic opposite leaves. Let me show you these opposite leaves. Opposite compound leaves, right? Opposite compound. So that's the Bignonia family. This particular woody vine does not have tendrils. So we talked about in Virginia creeper, it's got something called holdfast. This one here has aerial little rootlets. Can we see these aerial rootlets right here? Those aerial rootlets are actually what kind of pop out of the stem and help grab onto trees as it's climbing around. Of course, it can also kind of twine and wrap itself around. Now, this one's got a very beautiful flower, and there's one blooming right over there that I just can't reach and get for you. But these have really nice tubular orange reddish flowers. Hummingbirds absolutely love them. I can't show you the flower, but I can show you the fruit. So here's the fruit of trumpet creeper. It almost looks like a vanilla bean or something. And if I open it up for you, let's see if I can do this. If I open it up, you can see the many winged seeds. Right? Can you see that winged seed? There's a seed in the middle, and all that fleshy stuff around it is the wing. I would ask you, if I was in person, why do you think such a seed would have a flap of tissue like this? But since I'm answering it myself, I will just go ahead and tell you that the little wing around the seed is to help disperse this seed via wind. All right, so this is a vine, it climbs way up to the tops of trees, it produces these large fruits. When the fruit opens up all the way, all of these seeds can open and be exposed to the wind. And if it was a strong breeze, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're kind of just floating around in the breeze. So a really good way to disperse those seeds far and wide. So trumpet creeper, Campsis radicans, another really great native woody vine of Florida. All right next door is yet another North Florida woody vine. Here we have Gelsemium sempervirens. You can see it all again climbing up this cedar tree. Here's a woody vine that doesn't use tendrils to grab and climb up trees and shrubbery. It just uses its viney nature. Right, so you can see it just kind of winds and winds and winds. It typically will wind all together. Here you can see it's kind of bunched up on itself. And this one can go very high into the trees. Carolina Jessamine here has the yellow flowers that you see sometimes in the early spring. So this is one of the first blooming species in the springtime in North Florida, and you'll see little yellow flowers falling down from treetops. That's your Carolina Jessamine. This is a native species. There is some issue with the flowers being somewhat toxic to honeybees. So that's one issue. Honeybee producers or apiarists are not a big fan of Carolina Jessamine.